Johannes Kepler was born on December 27, 1571, in a small German town of Wilderstadt. Johannes Kepler had 6 brothers and sisters. 3 of them died in childhood. He eventually ran away from home after his own father threatened to sell him. Johannes Kepler discovered the Earth orbits the Sun. Planetary motion. Kepler's first law: the orbit of the planet about the Sun is eclipsed with Sun's center of mass at one focus. Kepler's second law was a line joining a planet and the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal intervals of time. Johannes' first discovery was in 1609. He had trouble inventing his diagram of the solar system to show the non-scientific people what his orbiting theory was. It was difficult because they didn't have an understanding for his project. His theory was how planets orbit the Sun. The discovery contributes to our lives because we know that the Earth rotates around the Sun and that the Sun stays still. Also, that we had a central sun and we don't orbit the universe. He was also the founder of the celestial mechanics. Also, he explained how the tides of the ocean were influenced by the moon. Johannes Kepler discoveries were based on experiments of the sun. He did an experiment and found out about the sun. He discovered the Earth orbits around the Sun and that the Sun orbited around the Earth. He was the first person to study the solar system. He also learned how the moon had an important impact on the waves of the ocean. His discoveries influenced our lives because we won't know when high tide was in the ocean. Also, we wouldn't know how the solar system worked if he was not around. The nationality of Johannes Kepler was German. The scientific community was eager to hear that he had to say in 1610 about his discovery. No one fully understood his discoveries. They thought he was going insane and did not believe him. Through Duke's continued generosity, Johannes Kepler was able to begin attending the University of Tübingen in 1587. Johannes Kepler lived mostly in Württemberg, Germany, during his life. Johannes Kepler won 2 awards in his lifetime. The first was he was an imperial mathematician. The second award, he was the advisor general Wallstein. Johannes Kepler faced a couple of obstacles during his life. The first was he had the problem that everyone thought he was nuts, so they didn't believe in his experiments.